Okay, folks, so here's the add-on. It's a router sled. It's a router sled. I had to put an extension bit in there for it to reach. But essentially, that's gonna cut the dowel as I spin the dowel in direct relation to this threaded rod. I have a nut in here secured that's attached to the sled or to the shuttle. And it's locked in on the other side, on the other end. And then as you can see, this contraption here, I got a compound gear system to do an 8-to-1 reduction, because this is 16 threads per inch and I only want 2 threads per inch on this. So if you do, I've got an 8 tooth to a 16 tooth, which is 2, and then I've got an 8 tooth glued to that one going to a 32 tooth. So that's 4. So that makes 2 and 4 is 8. So the end result should be 2 threads per inch. So we'll see. All right. Need some sanding. But by God, that'll work.